UGC NET JRF exam. History solved paper Jan 2017 paper 2. Note, this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. 1. Which of the following are true of the Mesolithic period? Select your answer from the code given below. Microlithics are found in general. Bagur, Langnaj and Bhimbetka are some important sites. Bones of wild and domesticated animals are found. Rock paintings are available during this period. And the answer is option A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2. Which of the following Neolithic archaeological sites is not known for ash mounds? A. Utnur. B. Pallavoi. C. Kupgal. D. Burzahom. And answer is option D. Burzahom. Question number 3. Which of the following sites has yielded a short inscription written in Harappan script with huge alphabets? A. Banavali. B. Dholavira. C. Kalibangan. D. Mohenjo-daro. And the answer is option B. Dholavira. Question number 4. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? List 1. Mahajanapada. List 2. Capital. A. Panchala Mathura. B. Matsya Bhairath. C. Kosala Shravasti. D. Mahada Girivraja. And the answer is option A. Panchala Mathura. Question number 5. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. System of philosophy. List 2. Advocates. Yoga Patanjali. Mimamsa Kumarila. Shankya Kapila. Vaisheshika Kannada. Question number 6. Which of the following departments was Kantaka Sodhana connected? A. Taxation. B. Industry. C. Tolls. D. Judiciary. And the answer is option D. Judiciary. Question number 7. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? Tax term connotation. A. Vishti forced labor. B. Bhaga local tax. C. Kara tax. D. Pranaya emergency tax. And the answer is option B. Bhaga local tax. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a part of the Buddhist architecture? A. Anda. B. Medi. C. Chatra. D. Antarala. And the answer is option D. Antarala. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is true of the Kushan period? A. Issue of silver coins on a large scale. B. Flourishing of the Gandhara art. C. Patronage of Amarasimha. D. Extension of the empire up to Bengal. And the answer is option B. Flourishing of the Gandhara art. Question number 10. Which of the following statements are known from the Hathihumpa inscription of Kharavela? Select your answer from the code given below. 1. He was a ruler of Kalinga. 2. He describes himself as a Mahamehavahana. 3. He convened a council of Jain scholars. 4. He enlarged a canal originally excavated by a Nanda king up to the city. And the answer is option D. 1, 2 and 4. Question number 11. Which of the following statements are made in the Periplus of the Erythraean Sea? Select your answer from the code given below. 1. Kolki, Kamara and Podusa were South Indian ports. 2. Ivory was produced in Dosarani. 3. Large ships called Kolandia sailed to the Ganges and Crisse. 4. Masalia lay to the south of Muziris. And the answer is option A. 1, 2 and 3. 12. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Author, list 2, title of the book. Dandin, Dasakumara Charita, Basha, Pratima Nataka, Hemadri, Chaturvarga Chintamani Bhavabuddhi Uttararama Charita. 13. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason or assertion A. Fahim visited India during the time of Chandragupta II. Reason R. He described Chandragupta II as ruling from his capital at Pataliputra. In the context of the other two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 14. Arrange the following astronomers in a correct chronological order. 1. Aryabhatta, 2. Brahmagupta, 3. Lagadha, 4. Varahamihira. The answer is 3, 1, 4, 2. Lagadha, Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, Brahmagupta. 15. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the answer from the code given below. Name of the king, title. Narasimhavarman 1. Vatappikonda. Kulothunga 1. Sungamthavirtha. Nandivarman 3. Tellarininda. Pulakesin 2. Satyasraya. 16. Who among the following were not a South Indian maritime organization? A. Anjuvanam. B. Manigramam. C. Aniruvar. D. Mahajanas. And the answer is option D. Mahajanas. 17. Which of the following statements are true in respect of the kingdom of Sri Vijaya? Select the answer from the code given below. 1. Devapala of the Pala family granted villages for the maintenance of a Buddhist monastery built by Balaputra Deva. 2. Chola Rajaraja 1 had cordial relations with the kingdom of Sri Vijaya. 3. Rajendra I's relations with Sri Vijaya were initially friendly but later inimical. 4. Mara Vijayuthugavarman built a Buddhist monastery at Nagapattinam. And the answer is option A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 18. Match Persian Arabic text given in list 1 with its composers given in list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Text list 2 composers. Tajul Masir, Hazan Nizami, Tariqi Mubarak Shahi, Yahya bin Ahmad Srihindi, Masalik ul Absar fi Mumalik ul Amsar, Shihabuddin al-Umari, Shubul Ashab, al-Khwaskhandi. 19. During the entire period of Khani and kingship of well over 40 years, he never talked to bazaar people, the base, mean, musicians and buffoons. In the above statement, Ziauddin Barani is referring to which of the following sultan? A. Nasiruddin Mahmud, B. Balban, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And the answer is option B. Balban. 20. Which of the following city was named Hyderabad by Alauddin Khilji after his son Ghizir Khan? A. Lucknowti, B. Ranthambore, C. Chittoor, D. Mandu. And the answer is option C. Chittoor. 21. The 14th century saint poetess Lalla Date's verses are known as A. War, B. Walk, C. Lal Kavya, D. Spanda. And the answer is option B. Walk. 22. Ziauddin Barani records that in spite of ban on wine, addicts, libertines and debauched people built battis in their houses and distilled wine and themselves consumed it and secretly sold it at higher cost. In the above statement, Ziauddin Barani is referring to which of the following sultan who prohibited consumption and sale of wine in his dominion? A. Balban, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And the answer is option B. Alauddin Khilji. 23. Arrange the following Chak rulers of Kashmir in chronological order. 1. Sultan Muhammad Shah 1, 2. Sultan Hasan Shah, 3. Sultan Fateh Shah, 4. Sultan Haidar Shah. 24. It is their custom that the person to whom this platter containing betel is brought out takes the platter in his hand, places it upon his shoulder, and then does homage with his other hand touching the ground. Who among the following wrote this while mentioning the feast arranged by Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq for his nobles and for foreign visitors? A. Abdul Razak, B. Ibn Battuta, C. Mirza Nathan, D. Siraj Afif. And the answer is option B, Ibn Battuta. 25. Who gave the following arguments for understanding his work Madanu Shifai Sikandar Shahi? First, that the Greek medicine did not suit the climate of India, and secondly, that the medicinal plants mentioned in that system were either unidentifiable or unobtainable in India. A. Ali Muhammad Khan, B. Milhana, C. Mir Mazum, D. Mian Bhuwa. And the answer is option D, Mian Bhuwa. 26. Which one of the following works was commissioned by Aurangzeb to compile authoritative passages from the standard works of Hanafi fiqh for the guidance of the Qasis? A. Siyasat Nama, B. Nasihat ul Muluk, C. Ankam-e Alamgiri, D. Fatawa al-Alamgiri. And the answer is option D, Fatawa al-Alamgiri. 27. Whom did Abul Fazl style Sada Lahu? Simple one. Because he mourned the loss of the idol he used to worship and called him a blind follower of custom. A. Todarmal, B. Mansingh, C. Tansen, D. Birbal. And the answer is option A, Todarmal. 28. Match list 1 with list 2 and select your answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 work. Balal Sena, Rajavalipataka, Jagannath Pandita, Bhojaprabandha, Krishna Deva, Raja Gangadhara, Shukka, Parasiprakasha. 29. Point out which of the following is or not a form of hundi. 1. Zapti hundi, 2. Darshani hundi, 3. Miadi hundi, 4. Faslana hundi. Choose your answer from the code given below and the answer is option B, 1 and 4 1D. 30. Arrange the following historical monuments in chronological order. 1. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. 2. Atala Mosque, Jaunpur. 3. Rabia Dharani's tomb, Aurangabad. 4. Sher Shah's tomb, Sasaram. And the answer is option B, 2, 4, 1, 3. Atala Mosque, Jaunpur. Sher Shah tomb, Sasaram. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. Rabi Dharani's tomb, Aurangabad. 31. Which of the following Mughal royal women assigned land from her Jagir for grazing cows? A. Hamida Banu Begum, B. Maham Anga, C. Noor Jahan, D. Mumtaj Mahal. And the answer is option A, Hamida Banu Begum. 32. Which of the following is not correct? A. In Sarkar, a terrestrial division of a Suba, a number of officials were appointed. B. The highest officer of a Sarkar was called Faujdar. C. One of the officers was called Pradhan of the Sarkar. D. The duty of the Faujdar was to maintain law and order in his Sarkar. And the answer is option C. One of the officers was called Pradhan of the Sarkar. 33. During his conversation with Aurangzeb, Mirza Mukharam Safavi asked him to express his views on music. Which of the following statements of Aurangzeb is all true on music? 1. Music was mubah, neither good nor bad. 2. I dislike instrumental and vocal music. 3. I cannot listen to music without flutes, especially pakhawaj. 4. Flutes are anonymously prohibited, haram. So I left music. Select the correct answer from the code given below. And the answer is option D, 1, 3 and 4. 34. Chronologically arrange the following celebrated buildings built by Shah Jahan. 1. Diwani Am in Agra Fort. 2. Moti Masjid in Agra Fort. 3. Taj Mahal, Agra. 4. Zamma Masjid, Shahjahanabad. And the answer is Option A 1, 3, 2 and 4. Diwani in Agra Fort, Taj Mahal Agra, Moti Masjid in Agra Fort, Zama Masjid, Shahjahanabad. 35. Which system was declared illegal in India by the India Act 5 of 1843? A. Sati, B. Infanticide, C. Slavery, D. Dowry. And the answer is option C. Slavery. 36. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Chiefs colleges in India was founded to provide education for the princely and aristocratic families of India. Reason R. Natives were desirous to be taught in English and not to be taught in native languages. In the context of the above statement, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 37. Who among the following did not endorse the view that the protected princes in India were mere feudatories of the British crown? A. Sir Lewis Tupper, B. Beaton, C. Duke of Argyll, D. Sir William Lee Warner. And the answer is option D. Sir William Lee Warner. 38. Arrange chronologically the following famine commission. 1. MacDonald, 2. Strachey, 3. Lyall, 4. Campbell. Select the answer from the code given below, and the answer is option C. 4, 2, 3, 1. Campbell, Strachey, Lyall, MacDonald. 39. When was the first Factory Act was passed by the British colonial government? A. 1867, B. 1876, C. 1881, D. 1884. The answer is option C. 1881. 40. Which one of the following was not the declared objective for the founding of the All India Muslim League? A. Propagate the ideology of pan-Islamism among the Indian Muslims. B. Plead with the British government about the political rights and interests of the Indian Muslims. C. Promote among the Indian Muslims feelings of loyalty to the British government. D. To prevent the rise among the Indian Muslims of any feelings of hostility towards other communities. And the answer is option A. Propagate the ideology of pan-Islamism among the Indian Muslims. 41. Who among the following were the members of Khilafat Committee? 1. Shaukat Ali, 2. Hakim Ajmal Khan, 3. Hasrat Mohani, 4. Mustafa Nazaruddin. Select the correct answer from the code given below. And the answer is option C. 1, 2 and 3. 42. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 leader, list 2 organization. MC Raja, All India Depressed Classes Association. Jagjeevan Ram, All India Depressed Classes League. B.R. Ambedkar, All India Depressed Classes Congress. Mahatma Gandhi, All India Harijan Sangh. 43. Which among the following act was described as a new charter of bondage by Jawaharlal Nehru? A. Indian Criminal Law Amendment Act 1913, B. Rowlatt Act 1919, C. Government of India Act 1919, D. Government of India Act 1935. And the answer is option D. Government of India Act 1935. 44. Who among the following condemned the Ottawa Trade Agreement of 1932 by saying that it has killed much larger interest of India? A. G.D. Birla, B. J.R.D. Tata, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. J.B. Kripalani. And answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. 45. Who among the following did not belong to the Liberal Party? A. Dinsha Petit Ali Iman, B. Purushottam Das Thakur, C. S.M. Paranjpe, D. V.S. Srinivasa Shastri. And the answer is option C. S.M. Paranjpe. 46. Which one of the following would not be a necessary condition for being a nation state? A state organized for the government of a nation or closely related nations. B. A state whose territory is determined by national boundaries. C. A state whose law is determined by National customs and aspirations. D. A nation is the expression of the state. And the answer is option D. A nation is the expression of the state. 47. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution guarantees complete equality of men and women? A. 12 and 13, B. 14 and 15, C. 18 and 19, D. 49 and 50. And the answer is option B. 14 and 15. 48. Who among the following was a great innovator in politics? Being fully and consciously secular, he understood more clearly the danger that communalism posed to the nation. He often told that communalism was as big an enemy as colonialism. A. Chandrasekhar Azad, B. Bhagavati Charan Ohura, C. Yashpal, D. Bhagat Singh. And the answer is option D. Bhagat Singh. 49. Who among the following was not the member of the States Reorganization Commission? A. Justice Syed Fazl Ali, D. Dr. Hriday Nath Kunsru, C. K. M. Panikar, D. Shashipada Banerjee. And the answer is option D. Shashipada Banerjee. 50. Who coined the term positivism and was the founder of positivity philosophy? A. Niebuhr, B. Ranke, C. Auguste Comte, D. Thomas Berkeley. And the answer is option C. Auguste Comte.